Hello everyone, welcome to Cryoguard's workshop. I'm going to demonstrate how to activate our M-5, M-15, and M-25 Cryoguard thermal exposure indicators. I will activate the M-5 indicator in this video. Our M-5 indicator signals thermal exposure at or above -5 degrees Celsius by irreversibly changing color from green to red. An activated M-5 indicator remains green for at least 8 months at or below -30 degrees Celsius. An activated M-5 indicator can also be used at -20 degrees Celsius for 2 months. The M-5 indicators can be used to continuously monitor cryopreserved materials such as heat-sensitive laboratory specimens, vaccines, frozen blood plasma, biologics, pharmaceuticals, and medication. The activation procedure is as easy as 3 steps: pre-freezing, activation, and refreezing. To start, always wear insulated gloves and adequate eye protection when handling frozen indicators. This will protect you against freeze burn and also prevent heat transfer, which can cause the indicator to begin changing color immediately after activation. First, freeze the M-5 indicator for at least 1 hour at or below -30 degrees Celsius. We are using a freezer. After 1 hour, remove the indicator from the freezer. We have previously frozen indicators for this video. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. While you are waiting, you can position the indicator properly in the activation tool, which is designed to facilitate activation of Cryoguard thermal exposure indicators. Make sure the pin of the indicator is pointed toward the tool hinge. Then slowly depress the pin until it becomes flush with the bottom of the indicator. Once activated, immediately refreeze the indicator for at least 1 hour at or below -30 degrees Celsius. We are putting it right back in the freezer. You can also use a channel lock pliers to activate the M-5 indicator. I'll demonstrate that now. I am taking another indicator that has been previously frozen at or below -30 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. While you are waiting, you can position the indicator properly in the channel lock pliers. Make sure the pin of the indicator is pointed up. Then slowly depress the pin until it becomes flush with the bottom of the indicator. Once activated, immediately refreeze the indicator for at least 1 hour at or below -30 degrees Celsius. I am putting it right back in the freezer again. Here I have a few indicators that have been refrozen for 1 hour. It is important to make sure the indicator is green before placing it in the environment to be monitored. This indicator is still green and ready to be used. This activated indicator is exposed. The red color indicates that it should not be used. It is important not to use extreme force like a hammer blow to depress the pin. This could damage the activation mechanism. Activated and unactivated indicators have a shelf life of approximately 8 months. These instructions are for our M-5, M-15, and M-25 indicators. For the freezing and thawing times for the M-15 and M-25 indicators, see the package insert that was included in your order or visit our website. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for any questions or inquiries.